Formalinear. Formalinear is totally another syllabus of our education, our program. And the one also important syllabus in our examinations in the European design. Formalinear can consider as modern design. I can say this is modern because they are not 18th century, 16th century, it is 20th century. This is not long ago. My opinion is this is Asian influence in the European design, where you will see a lot of line, and you will only the different interpretation on the European design in the way they make this one formalinear. Formalinear actually is not all the line. Actually, is a form and the line. Where we have this very clear line, very clear form, where the line is very obviously is clear, is either it's diagonal or it's straight line, it's very clear. Form is what they call it, very simple basic form, either round, triangle, they have a very clear form, okay? Then when doing the design, we know that just now it was so much different with the vegetative design, they have a lot of quantity, there have been many stock of flowers. But here you will see the difference. That each material, either one or two, and very less few material in the design. There have many of maybe the colors. The colors is vibrant, is very sharp colors because individually they should be very clear with its individual character. So here we have some. Can I have this? Yep. From here you will see, we will select those material that I say just now. The form is clear. It's not like you see, and okay, that's all. We have a very clear line here. The leaf we use and the flower we choose, this is called, we call it the basic form, round. It's a basic form of round. They're very clear cut. It's a triangular heart shape of the leaf. That is important. Okay, where we just have mentioned, Formalinear, form and line is a Asian influence in the latest design. I mean, it's maybe 50, 60 years in our syllabus. Okay, here. Today when I'm doing this Formalinear, they have many ways of doing the Formalinear, but we can do it in the way of upright. I mean, most material. Of course, some of the material is downwards, but the whole thing, most material, majority material will be facing upwards. Okay, first we will start. Normally, I like to start with my arrangement with the longest material. Okay, here we are. I hope they stand well, please. It's important. Okay. Okay, let's see. It must be firm. So, next we have this. Okay, now normally this is very good line. Here is a color, and normally you need to have a color, and you can curve it accordingly to the line and to the direction. Right here you will see a little bit here we have enhanced a little bit for this stem here for the insertions to make sure it stands firm. Okay. Where is my knife? Okay. Okay, I got my knife. For this very thick material here, for the stem is very thick. Normally, we try to make an insertion before, make a hole before we insert this one in. So where normally we can do is, but let's say I want to put it in here, so I've got to make a little bit of hole here in order it can go in easily. Make sure it's firm. Okay, that's it. I need to make it even harder. Okay, make it short. Okay. next one. To enhance the color, we will have, maybe we have two. Okay, we have two color. Okay, oh, this is a bit too. Okay, I need to make a little bit hole here. Make sure the color can go in. Yep. Okay, that's good. Then we can have, we have the sunflower. To create the, to create the band of this, the curvy line of the sunflower, we had just now, I think Kelvin did ask whether we can insert any wires, anything. Yes, we did. We insert the whole thing in and we bend a little bit. We bend accordingly, that the position that we want. Okay. Here, another form here, another big form here, a clear, this is very clear form here that we use here. I will select the better one. Oh, let's see. Okay, that's good. We can have two pieces if you want, but when we have two pieces, make sure that this is in same direction, or maybe they are in overlapping. Okay, to enhance. Oh, this is another one here. Okay, to make sure I don't need too many of this. Here another falling down material. Okay. I think we got enough. Okay, I think we got enough. If you want, I can have one more line. Okay. So, to make sure that I have enough line for this, I make sure there's flowers that have enough strong support. So I add another leaf here. I'm going to make it this way. So from here, you will see, oh, we have wind blow. Oh, my aircon. My aircon blowing. Okay. That's it firm. Well, for the base, I have this. Can I have another piece? Hydrangea? Oh, I see. So here you can see from here, very obviously, most color is very bright and very dominant, very clear. This one will be okay. The aircon is blowing. The aircon is blowing. Okay. For the base, we can have something settle to cover our base. Here the hydrangea, I like this because it's very coordinated with my container. It's a little bit greenish and bluish. Normally I like the hydrangea in this what do you call it, this changing colors. I like to buy the hydrangea with the changing color. Normally this is almost dry and it's old enough, and we can, as a designer, we can keep this one as a dry flowers as well. Again, we are using the hydrangea here, and same thing, we can use the 3-point again to make the balance. Oh, the wind is blowing. I got the temporarily take this out. Okay. Later on we can take a picture of this lift. Okay, take this out. Then the base, we not necessarily, we just don't cover the base with one type of material. We can have two type of materials. Same thing. Normally, I will advise for the base that with so strong character here, we use some subtle colors, strong colors, heavy colors. Over here, I like this. Wow, the rose is big. Oh, thanks for the aircon. Stop. So you see how we do it for the base. Oh, it's big. Same thing, you can use another 3-point method to make the base as balanced. Here we are. As you can have a little bit of this hydrangea. Okay. To create more depth, I can use this one here. And others, I make it from here. I'm going to make more depth for this. Okay. Like this one, since the aircon is not blowing. For the base, we even can have 3 type material if you want. This design, do we have limit number of flowers? Of course, we have limit. From Kelvin, we have limit of flowers. We have limit to use of the type of material. But normally we have 3 to 5. We have 7 to 9 type of material. But here we have more because I'm using the colors. We're using the red. We're using the red. Then we're using the yellows, and most of the time we need blue a little bit for this design here. Okay, here, how many type of flower we can use of this design? Oh, okay. We can use this like 7 to 9 if you big arrangement. If you're doing a small arrangement like this, so we can use like 5 to 7. If your arrangement is huge, so you can use a big, more material. I mean more type material, but you make sure you have a clear line and material for this design. Okay, here we have this for the Formalinear. Here we are. Okay, today I have made design, I have made 2 demonstrations.